Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today let's learn how to do this design right here. So my base color is already applied and good to go. Make sure that after you apply your base color you wait till it completely dries for the next step. And in the next step we are going to take some scotch tape and apply it like so. So once you've applied the scotch tape on both the sides, make sure that it is completely flat. We do not want air bubbles around the corners of it or else the black polish will seep through. Once you're sure that it is completely flat, go ahead and take your black polish and apply it in the gap. Now you have to peel it quickly before it dries or else it will leave some string. After you apply the black polish, make sure to give it some time and let it dry. I will be back once it's completely dry. Once your nail dries, the next step is to do some stamping. I have all my tools right here. Let's get on with the stamping. So for today, we are going to use this design right here. So let's get this design on my nail. So once the design is on your nail, you can go ahead and clean up around your cuticles. Let me do that and I'll be back. Once I'm done with the cleanup, I'm gonna go ahead and take some gold strapping tape right here and place it on my nails. So our design is now complete. You can leave it at that, but because I want to wear it for a longer period of time, I'm going to apply some gel top coat on this. Because I'm using a gel top coat, I will have to cure it later on. But if you're using a normal top coat, you do not have to cure it. So guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.